Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! What's going on? Welcome to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what I'm going to pull out of a box or what kind of box it's going to come out of. But something's going to come out of a box. Are you going to like it? Probably not. Do you think I care? Nope. But first, I'm going to do an uncanning. It's very uncanny of me. Right now we're going to open up a big can of Carling. Cheers, big ears. Alley-oop. Woo! Nice. Alright. Today's box is a cardboard box. Measures 10 inches by 6 inches by 5 and weighs about 1.3 kilos, so about 2 3/4 pounds. It's not a mail call because it was actually hand delivered to me and it didn't come in the mail. Someone brought it to me. And yes, this is a present for me. The box kind of looks like this. And you open it up like this. And it's very colorful. Look at that. It's got fresh garden tomatoes. 'Tis the season. It is the end of August. And this kind of sucks because I actually just bought tomatoes the other day. Now what the fuck am I gonna do? I'll figure out something. But yeah, look at these guys. Nice, eh? How about that? Bitchy? Nice little short and sweet unboxing. Come on. This is basically a drunk cooking channel. I'm kind of drunk. I'm getting more drunk. We got food. I'm not going to cook it in here in this video. We're just unboxing it. Got lots of dirt on them. There you go. That one doesn't have any dirt on it anymore. Fuck, that's good. That's really good. Give me a minute. Or 2 or 10. I think I'm gonna come up with a cooking video. These were just dropped off like 10 minutes ago. And yeah, that's fucking great. Alright, so that's what was in the box. I can't always just unbox beer and other stuff like filters and cereals and yeah, wait till you see what else is coming out of the box soon. But look at that, eh? That's just fucking beautiful. Right on! Leos Paldies Prekstomat! Woohoo! Alright, bitches. I'm gonna cook something and I'm gonna get a drink. I'm going to get a drink and get drunk. I gotta get high too, because I'm not high yet. And today, we're getting high with, I should be showing this in the cooking video, because I am gonna cook with those tomatoes. Essentials, edibles, THC infused, little bears. These are 15 milligrams each. They're fucking tiny too, but man, they pack a good fucking punch. Take 4. Here's 2. 2 more. 1 more. 3. 4. So that'll be 60 milligrams. Nice. Yummy. Alright. Get a bit high. Then we're gonna start to cook. Alright, bitches. Strawberry. RTFO mofos. Cheers, big ears. Beer and strawberry candy doesn't go very well. But you gotta do what you gotta do.